Hi, this is Anjal Puri on Spotify with Taza Talks. Today, uh, with us, Tarveen Kaur, the visionary founder and the CEO of Personify Global Academy and impactful TEDx speaker. So, हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे आ चुकी हैं और I'm really honored to having you here. नमस्कार.
Thank you so much. Namaste. This is absolutely a precious moment. I have been absolutely honored and excited for today's day because I have been seeing all the great number of veterans and leaders who आपके platform पे आते हैं, who participate with you, and I'm happy to share this platform with such renowned personalities. And definitely one of them is being you, the pioneer of this.
Thank you so much. आई थिंक ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे कि आज मेरा इंटरव्यू आप ले रहे हो.
वो भी ट्रेनर्स की पर्सनालिटीज में हो जाता है, दैट वी हैव अ हैबिट ऑफ एनकरेजिंग पीपल टू पार्टिसिपेट.
करेक्ट. सो तरवीन जी, सबसे पहले तो गणेश चतुर्थी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. और ये क्योंकि स्पेशल है गणेश चतुर्थी का, तो मेरा पहला सवाल आपसे ये है कि क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है आपकी लाइफ में? गणेश चतुर्थी कैसे महाराष्ट्र में क्या क्या किया जाता है?
ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. थैंक यू फॉर आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन बिकॉज ये तो एक ऐसी चीज है दैट इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ एवरीवन्स जर्नी. एंड दिस इज बोलते हैं ना कि गॉड इज वन. And in this occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I can say the meaning of that God is one comes much more stronger. बिकॉज हम यहाँ पे ये देखते हैं, एक कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सिटी में रहते हैं, डिफरेंट हम जाते हैं क्रिश्चियन स्कूल में, गुजराती कॉलेज में, फिर इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में काम करते हैं, पर जो डाइवर्सिटी के अंदर जो इंक्लूसिविटी है विद पीपल कमिंग टुगेदर, मतलब ये जो 11 दिन होते हैं खाली हमारे नहीं, हमें सबको पता होता है. हम ऑल एवरीबडी सेलिब्रेट की कल क्या पहन के आएंगे, ऑफिस में क्या पहनेंगे, घरों में होता है कि अच्छा आज किसके घर विजिट करने जा रहे हैं. और फिर जो विद द सेलिब्रिटी ऑफ गणेश जी इज द स्वीटनेस, द मोदक, आई थिंक, और उसके जो फ्लेवर्स है, इट इज लाइक अ फेवरेट टू एवरीवन. What I would say, in Mumbai, the vibration only of the city changes. Mumbai is already a crowded city. These days, the crowd increases, traffic increases, but किसी को कोई problem नहीं होता because you're walking and you're seeing pandals, you're seeing the dance, you're hearing music. मतलब 11 दिन की festivities है. I can say it's 11 days of spiritual carnival.
Actually, एक तरह की दिवाली हो गई. Right.
Absolutely. More, and I think Diwali is that still 2 days, 3 days, and sometimes Diwali में मतलब वो खत्म है. ये तो just like I said, it's only an 11 days. Everybody's in that mood, the energy, the vibration. It's a beautiful day, and I'm very happy that we are bringing this talk on such an auspicious occasion. क्योंकि गणेश जी मानते हैं, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, मानते हैं कि हर कोई अच्छी चीज करो तो गणेश जी का नाम लेके शुरू करो. इवन दो इट्स लाइक नॉट दैट यू हैव टू बी फॉलोइंग एवरीथिंग, बट एक रिस्पेक्ट से हम सब उसी वजह से सबके हमारे घरों में, ऑफिस में सबके होते ही है गणपति जी.
एक्चुअली क्या होता है, ब्यूटीफुल सोल्स को ही भगवान भी चुनता है, तो इसीलिए आपको चुना. जी. तरवीन जी, एक बात बताइए, योर जर्नी फ्रॉम विजन टू एग्जीक्यूशन इज ट्रूली इंस्पायरिंग. सो ये आपने पर्सोनिफाई ग्लोबल एकेडमी, क्या टर्निंग पॉइंट था जो आपने इसको ओपन किया?
This question is so deeply connected to my heart and soul, and actually, to be honest, अगर थोड़ा सा if I go back to it, I would say teaching was always in my DNA, which I didn't know. But then in life, you figure out life is a journey, and through the journey of my life and instances, I realized that I like connecting with people, and somehow teaching became a profession. I started with young children, and then I realized, okay, I want to do something more deeper and meaningful. So if I would say simply, Personify was not opened with a vision of as a training academy. It was opened with a vision of, helping people to become their best version. I have met people जो मतलब जिनका they're so knowledgeable, they have golden hearts, but yet sometimes they're struggling in life to be recognized, to be noticed, to get their credibility for their full potential. And that time I realized that this is what people need. We are a fully grown personality, so both sides, they come to our programs and they say, we want personality development. I keep telling them, I cannot develop your personality because it's already there. We cannot change your personality, but we can enhance your personality. That's why I call it empowering personality or personality enhancement. Because personality is already there. It's like a fully grown tree, it is there, but now we are just trying to package it in a better way, which is about aligning your inner strengths with your outer appearance. Because we live in the world of where MF Hussain says very nicely, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है.
Right.
So you have to show people who you are, whether it's your knowledge, whether it's your heart, or whether it's your talent. If you cannot express, then you will not impress. And today we live in a world of impressing continuously. So this is the vision of Personify, that we help people to find their best version of themselves and not to be a version of somebody else.
Wonderful. So आप TEDx speaker भी रही हैं. What was the core idea behind your talk?
It was first of all, I will say it was a liberating experience, experience that is cherished deeply and forever is going to stay in my heart. My TEDx talk also actually came from a very deep reflection and very authentic and simple, like connecting to our purpose. Our tagline of our company is attitude determines altitude, which simply means this attitude is not arrogance. This attitude is attitude of gratitude, attitude of self-confidence, and the attitude of showing up. And this was my talk, that how your presence matters more than anything else. It's not your performance. Today we are having this talk show. I might make a mistake or in my speech, or I might not be able to say, and later I'll say, "Arey, ye bol sakte the, ye kar sakte." But that doesn't matter. Did I enjoy it? Was I there fully present when the moment was happening? And that all matters in life. Showing up. And a lot of time the struggle is that people do not show up because they think for that you have to be extrovert, you have to be beautiful. So we don't talk about, presence being kya pehenna hai, what you're going to wear, what you're going to say. It's like how you're going to show up. And that showing up means, in spite of all the doubts, you're going to say that, okay, it's okay. I am going to still stand for what I believe and deliver it. And that was the core which I had spoken about, that to get respect, you do not have to be the loudest person in the room. You just have to be yourself. You don't have to be smarter than anyone else. You just have to be more disciplined. And the most important thing about your presence is likability. If I like you, I will listen to you. If I don't like you, you could be the richest person, the most beautiful person in the room. It won't make a difference to me.
Yeah, got it. So, तरवीन जी, एक बात बताइए मुझे, क्या बिगेस्ट चैलेंजेस होते हैं जब आप एज एन वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर फेस करती हैं या किए थे आपने? क्या क्या ऐसे चैलेंजेस और हर्डल्स रहे और कैसे आपने उसको ओवरकम किया अपनी स्ट्रेंथ के जरिए?
I think this answer, even you can also be participating very beautifully, because as a woman entrepreneur, I think some of the common things that we all experience is that thoda sa skepticism. Okay, what is she going to bring to the table? So we are more senior to her, more mature to her. What are we going to learn from her? So all that second guessing and all these things do come up. These are one of the biggest challenges. And I think for me, to find that seat on the table without being waiting to be invited was one of the biggest lessons I learned in my journey of entrepreneurship. If you wait to be invited, you'll be waiting forever in the line. You have to just show up and find your place on the table. And I practice actually what I preach, and I really say I don't live with complaints or expectation. I just believe in being yourself, showing up for yourself, and believing in your purpose. So I never walked because I have a race to win, but I have a purpose that I want to walk through, and that is a lifelong learning. So I have been a continuous learner. I keep learning today also. I humbly listen and take back so much from the audience I participate with, no matter what age group. Like I said, I started my journey with young children. Some 4 times in the year, we still conduct those programs for young children. But there's always something. So the perspective is much bigger. And I feel as a woman entrepreneur, the biggest thing is that you want to be recognized and you hope that somebody else will recognize you, somebody else will acknowledge you. Guess what? You are the woman behind your success. We say now behind every man there's a woman, but for a woman, behind her is her own self faith. Have this faith in you, have the confidence, and success is going to be your best friend.
Absolutely right. Perfect. So डिजिटल आजकल हम सब डिजिटल हो चुके हैं, पूरा वर्ल्ड हो चुका है ग्लोबली. तो आपकी एकेडमी में कैसे अप्रोच करते हैं एजुकेशन को, पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट को?
Very good question. Actually, in today's date, there is so much information and so cheaply available that with one click, you have abundant of information. But the problem is with so much information, you don't know what to filter, what is useful, what is true, what is not true.
Right.
And this is what we do at Personify. We are not about, people don't walk out of our trainings or sessions with notes, but they walk out with a new perspective, new approach, feeling that no, it was not that it was a good training, but I feel different after this training. And getting that shift has been always, and getting into the global approach and market has always been our vision from day one I started my academy. Because the image consultancy in India, it came much later. It was very much prevalent in the West. In West, people knew that आपकी image projection, managing your image, how you show up, how you speak, how you conduct yourself, they all are a part of your checklist. Your checklist is not just your degree and qualification and awards, but actually when you are there with people, how do you conduct yourself? And when I bought this program and when we started our trainings program over here, I wanted to always keep that global curriculum, because look at India today. Our food taste have changed. Our holiday vacation choices have changed. Everything that what we shop, what we invest, our knowledge and our spending power is also become more versatile. We connect, we watch shows which are very globally connected. So how do you embrace that cultural context in your growing journey? So having said that, we are now launching a lot of leadership programs. We are also setting up a lot of digital platforms, and we are now also in collaboration with leading institutes internationally. I'm at the forum and at the board of many international institutions as a trainer, as a speaker, as their brand ambassador. So we bring all this together, and we have formed something also which is in a nascent stage, IMG, which is this short for image, but it stands for International Mastery Guild. This guild is where we under Personify, we have experts and learners from all diverse fields where they are coming and sharing something which is to take back knowledge. It's not about promoting your business, but promoting your knowledge, your skill that can empower somebody else.
Wow. Speechless कर दिया आपने मुझे.
You're very humble. Thank you.
So, many women admire you. वो तो पता ही है. So, what message would you like to give to those who want to rise?
First, I want to say I admire the woman who's right now in front of me.
Thank you so
Deeply,
much.
really admire the way you have been. That's a true potential of a woman. They say a woman, usually they say women don't support women, but खाली वो hashtags में होता है या women day होता है. But I see you do this year round, and through the years you've been doing, you like to bring women in spotlight. You give them the bigger platform, and you like to stay in the shadow, whereas you are doing so much more work that needs to be noticed. So thank you so much again, and to Taza Talk and to you and this entire whole journey that has, and many more things that we will be in together. For women, I will just say one thing, which is from my own personal experience. You could be a great human being. You could be a very honest human being. But if you don't have the courage and you keep waiting that, like I said, no, somebody will roll the carpet for you or somebody is going to make a plan for you. No, the plan is already made. It is about you to walk on that plan. So even if you fall, they say, no, it's not that I've fallen 1,000 times. I've just learned 1,000 ways of not doing the same thing. So do that attempt, have the courage to, and I would say in our field, I also tell people, sometimes as women, if you feel like wearing a red lipstick and you've never worn it, just wear it. Feel it. If nothing else, close the room and dance the way you wanted to dance. It liberates you. You know, we do all these. Today we are doing sound healing. We go scuba diving. We are doing all these adventures. What is the purpose of it? That wow, it was so good. First, I was so afraid of doing it, but I did it. Fear. When you put fear away, see that I feel fear has a acronym which we can say, face everything and run, or face everything and rise. The choice is yours.
तो सरवीन जी एक बात बताइए मुझे, बहुत सारी विमेन्स हैं जो राइज अप होना चाहती हैं, करना चाहती हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम है। कहीं ऑर्थोडॉक्स फैमिलीज हैं, कहीं फाइनेंशियल
Yes.
क्रंचेस हैं, तो कुछ ना कुछ है, बट फिर भी हिडन टैलेंट्स तो है ना। तो वहां पर
Correct.
कैसे क्या क्या चीजें ऐसी होती हैं, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स कि वो उन चीजों को से बाहर निकल करके अपने आप को राइज अप करें?
It's an excellent point, and I'm sure many people resonate with this, what you have just shared.
Exactly.
But we also live in a beautiful era. जिस एरा में जहाँ कोविड आया था, पर कोविड ने वर्ल्ड का डायमेंशन स्पेशली फॉर वुमेन इट हैज चेंज्ड. आज जितना वुमेन सोशल मीडिया पे हैं एज द होमप्रेन्योर, सोलप्रेन्योर, वर्कप्रेन्योर, ब्लॉगर्स एंड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स एंड इतनी सारी चीजें हैं. That was a time we actually got to see every woman sitting in every house is an entrepreneur, is a boss lady herself.
Yes.
It was just that she has, as women, we have a very nurturing quality, especially in India. Our priority is first nurture our family, build a home, and then look at yourself and your dreams. But today, it has become a time that you can still give time to your dreams and still justify to your families. And families have also become that they're totally, looking forward to it. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, कभी कभी कई रिस्ट्रिक्शंस होती है. अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना या कोई चीज करना, सबको पहले लगता है कि वेयर आर द रिसोर्सेज, मनी कहाँ से आएगा, सपोर्ट कौन करेगा, अच्छा हु इज गोइंग टू बाय. और लाइक यू सेड देयर कुड बी रिस्ट्रिक्शन कि नहीं बाहर जाके काम नहीं करना, ये नहीं करना, कल्चरली कुछ होता है. Enhance yourself and use this box what we are sitting in front of it and make this your power. And this I will give a very good example of, I don't know, Lijjat Papad, many people must have heard about it. So Jyotilal Behan, she started this company somewhere in 1960 with borrowing 80 rupees. She didn't even have 80 rupees. She had no knowledge. She had no business acumen. She had no educational background. She had no financial support, and she didn't have anybody to be in her team. उनके ही जैसे 7-8 friends जैसे आप करते हो, women coming together for women, they started something. Today, I think it's been 80 years later or 70 years later, she's got not only the Padma Bhushan award, but they have become a 1,600 crore company just by making papad. और पापड़ क्या था, उनका innate talent. घर पे जैसे women they cook and somebody says, आचल जी आपकी तो बिरयानी is like out of the world, इसका बताओ, and then you make something out of it. So I want to say, with her case, was it passion or was it, her success was because of her education? Absolutely passion. और वो passion में आपकी self-belief होना. So women who are still thinking that I am good, you might be very good, you're decorating your house, you're stitching good things, you're making good things. Talk about it. You cannot make right now clothes and sell clothes. You can come here and talk about, what will look good, what fashion size. It's easy. थोड़ा effort के बिना तो वैसे भी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Gym में जाके muscles भी उसके बिना नहीं बनते हैं. So you have to train yourself and give that discipline. Like that's why I said discipline is the most important thing.
Exactly. लेकिन फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं ब्लॉक तो है, तो ब्लॉक्स तो खोलने ही पड़ेंगे और वो खुद ही करना पड़ता है. Where there is a will, there is a way.
Absolutely. You nailed it.
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. कोई ऐसा आपका सक्सेसफुल स्टोरी, कोई सक्सेस स्टोरी, कुछ ऐसा आप शेयर करना चाहती हैं जो आपके दिल से कभी उतरती ही नहीं, पर्सोनिफाई को लेके अगर हम बात करें तो?
Absolutely. So, success is a very broad concept. मैं हमेशा success को थी, success किस दूसरे, for everyone it could mean different. किसी के लिए सक्सेस फाइनेंशियल ग्रोथ हो सकती है, किसी के लिए जिनके घर में कोई बीमार वाला हो वो ठीक हो जाए, उनकी हेल्थ इज सक्सेस, somebody's relationship is not working well, their relationship works well, that is success. So success means different, but since you asked me now success related to personify, I would say the biggest success story for me, definitely अगर हम लॉजिस्टिक की बात करें तो आपका बिजनेस ग्रोथ जब होता है, आपको अच्छे फीडबैक्स एंड टेस्टिमोनियल्स मिलते हैं, by word of mouth you get clients. It's been over a decade, Personify has been formed, and I say this with a lot of humbleness that not even one single day we have ever done any paid ads, paid promotions, no paid marketing, nothing. Everything that we have generated today, I'm working with the biggest global leaders, multinational companies, Fortune 500 companies, individual schools, students, they all have come organically. And this organically, I say it comes from one place, somebody who's watching over you, and they see that, okay, you are doing something, walking with a purpose, walking with a heart which is full of faith and belief. And yes, I had my set of rejections, I had my set of learnings, but that learnings became the stepping stone and biggest part of my strength journey. So I would, if I have to put everything down, for me, success is when that person who comes to a training academy or who has come in contact, and after a few months or few years, they call or they message that, ma'am, my things have changed. My personal life is changing. I have started doing this. You build that confidence. I came to you as I'll give you a simple story, a simple person who came to me saying that I was so confused. I just found your number on Facebook and I contacted you. 3 days workshop. And today, in less than 6 years, that person has become a global figure. So that is so gratifying, क्योंकि जो हम करते हैं बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं बाहर, पर वो उसका जो बोलते हैं ना फल, एक फ्रूट, और उसका जो होता है वो नहीं भूलते. And this is my biggest success, that when there are people who actually after few years also feel that quality. किसी जो हमारा प्रोग्राम, जैसे मैं बोला, एक पर्सनालिटी को फाइन ट्यूनिंग करना, हम इतने स्ट्रांग होते हैं. कोई आप आपको कल से बोले कि नहीं आप लेफ्ट साइड पे नहीं राइट साइड पे टर्न होके सो या ऐसे करो, बोलोगे वो तो होने ही नहीं वाला, डॉक्टर कुछ और बता दो, दिस तो कैन नॉट वर्क. सो people come to us and I look at myself as an image doctor. अब मैं किसी की इमेज को, परसेप्शन को चेंज करने का तो पहले I have to connect with them and make them believe that they already have it in them. Because people are always coming to me and they're asking me, will I be confident after this? तो मैं उनको बोलती हूँ, कॉन्फिडेंस इज नॉट लाइक अ लीटर ऑफ बॉटल कि मैं आपके लिए प्रोग्राम करेंगे तो मैं बोलूंगी आप 1 लीटर कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएंगे या 2 लीटर. इट इज समथिंग जो आपके अंदर है और आपको उसको रोज वाटर करना पड़ेगा. इट्स लाइक अ प्लांट, यू हैव टू वाटर इट एवरी डे टू कीप ब्लूमिंग एंड ग्रोइंग. और कैसे होता है ना, कभी कभी कई सीजन में फ्रूट आते हैं एक ट्री पे, कई सीजन पे नहीं आते. तो लाइफ इज ऑल्सो लाइक दैट. सम days will be like that, but rest of the days will be going like that.
Absolutely. So if I talk about Personify again, next 5 years में आप कहाँ देख रही हैं अपनी academy को?
Like I said, we are already setting our foot in the global market in a very big way. But my one thing is that because we are from the Indian domain, and India is so beautiful and so vast, and like you said, there are so many people जिनको सब कुछ होता है, उनके पास ये वो हो गया. जैसे किचन में आप जाते हो, आपके पास सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं, रेसिपी भी है, पर समझ नहीं आ रहा पहले मिक्स क्या करना है, करना क्या है. Same way I feel over here, we have people who have all these talents, success, growth, qualities, but they don't know how to do it. And this is where I want to reach to every that 2-tier, 3-tier city of India, get those people there out and make them believe that you have the potential, and also be a leading name in the way of saying that an academy that really invest in people. You are making an investment by in your personality, and we are making an investment in your future. So that is the long-term plan that we have. And like I said, in globally also we are conducting and now setting up a few franchise models. That is the next one that we are working on.
Okay, wonderful. So Tarveen-ji, who has been your biggest inspiration or mentor in this journey? So personally or professionally, कौन है? And क्यों है?
Okay, so I will begin by saying this, that I am I'm a very spiritual person, and for me, my biggest inspiration comes from my own cultural upbringing, religious upbringing. There are so many stories, and there are so many things that inspire me, and I try to turn that into easy, simple lessons for me, and not into something which is strategically different or difficult. But if I have to say a person, I would say my grandmother, my nanima. She's no more. She never ran a company, but she carried all herself always with grace. She was very progressive of her time. मतलब उनकी सोच ना ऐसे लिमिटेड नहीं थी. If I had to speak something about it, anything, whether it is about wine or boys or anything or work or aspiration, she would be someone who would listen and her answers would be hilarious. क्योंकि आपको लगता है wow, I can't believe you are speaking like that. One thing she always told me that faith is not about just being spiritual, but it's about being strategic. And in the world, you need to speak from your heart and not from a script. And that has been my biggest thing in my every training room when I walk. I bring myself in the completeness over there. So this everything that got multiplied of having people going out by word of mouth, getting business or getting association or getting plans has simply been from the guidance. And one thing she used to always tell me that Tarveen, say yes and then figure out how to do it. Usually हम बोलते हैं अच्छा सोच के बताते हैं. And she always told me पहले आप yes बोल दो फिर figure out करो उसको करना कैसे है. And that I think has helped me to find my place. I did start in a field of as a freelancer image consultant. Then I got into so many things. I learned that I want to grow, diversify because of saying that so many yes that I went into becoming a corporate leader. And today, having an academy which has been over 10 years, and by God's grace, it's only growing from here onwards. So that I would say. Professionally, yes. Professionally, like I said, everyone, including this moment I have with you, including every moment I step into a room, जो participants होते हैं, या so many mentors and coaches, I always see what is that one thing I can take from them, because you are also doing something phenomenal. So that what is that phenomenal quality of yours? It's like it's not about trying to copy you. It's not having a comparison with you, but finding that compassion of knowing how are they doing this. Sometimes I also learn from people, how can you just be so smiling all the time and so energetic all the time? And then I try to bring that quality. We can be tired, but how to turn that tiredness into happiness.
Absolutely. लेकिन क्या होता है कि हम जैसे आपने कहा हमने बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स लिए हैं, राइट? आपके पास भी है, मेरे पास भी, बट सबसे बड़ा आई थिंक रिवॉर्ड वो होता है जो फेथ होता है. और फेथ एक बार खत्म होता है तो फिर बहुत कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. सो पर्सनली या प्रोफेशनली अपनी लाइफ को कैसे बैलेंस करती हैं आप?
So this is the most important thing for me is my morning routine, my ritual. I need that silence. अब आप silence को बोलो, is silence through prayer, silence through meditation, or silence through reflection or journaling. वो बहुत बहुत important है. 3 things I don't compromise is, one is my me time, जिसको बोलते हैं अपनी वो कप ऑफ टी लेना, उसके बाद अपना कुछ सुनना, स्पिरिचुअल या राइटिंग करना. एंड सेकंड इज दैट आई ऑल्सो लाइक आई सेड आई रियली लाइक टू engage into environment. तो अगर वो वॉक करने जाने को मिले अपना म्यूजिक सुन के, या जिम जाने को मिले, वो थोड़ा सा मोमेंट में मुझे ऐसा लगता है इसमें ना एक कॉन्फिडेंस आता है. you're doing something for yourself, you feel like you're giving back to yourself something. And thirdly, the most important thing of me is that I keep connecting myself to the journey I began with. And all those things that has happened, and that gratitude doesn't go, that only multiplies. Because I have now, when people call me ki ma'am, can we become a part of your academy, we want to come and do this, and I remember I have been in those places looking for opportunities, asking people if I get it. Now when I get that, my whole perspective of gratitude is a lot.
वंडरफुल. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, कुछ मुझे सीखने को मिल रहा है आज आपसे. सो चलते चलते तरवीन जी ये बताइए कि एक छोटा सा मैसेज हमारी इंडियन वुमेन्स को एज तरवीन कौर, फाउंडर ऑफ पर्सोनिफाई एकेडमी, क्या देना चाहेंगी? ताजा टॉक्स प्लेटफॉर्म के जरिए?
To everyone who's present and who's listening to this, and to all the members of Taza Talk, I would say be like the name. हमेशा अपनी जिंदगी में ताजगी लाइए. कुछ हो गया तो हो गया, आगे बढ़िए. Because life never stops. जब तक आप इधर हैं, every day is a new day. Wake up, forgiving yourself first. I would always say that forgive yourself first before asking for forgiveness from someone else. क्योंकि कभी सामने वाला हमें forgive कर लेता है, पर हमारा खुद का गिल्ट इतना ज्यादा होता है या रिग्रेट इतना ज्यादा होता है. एंड ये forgiveness खाली ये नहीं बिकॉज वी हर्ट समवन. कभी होता है अरे ये किया नहीं, ओहो ये अपॉर्चुनिटी चली गई थी, मेरे पास थी और मैंने नो बोल दिया, ये कर लिया मैंने. इट्स ओके because what is meant for you nobody can take it from you, and what's not meant for you you can bend heaven and hell. वो बोलते हैं ना यहाँ तक भी आएगा पर आपको उसका स्वाद नहीं मिलेगा. So do not think, ignore your dreams, be a dreamer, because कभी भी ड्रीम्स में भी मजा आता है, वो ड्रीम्स में भी साइलेंट कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है. But from dreamer get to becoming a doer. And for this doer, don't wait for perfect moment because there's no such as perfect moment. क्योंकि हमेशा आपसे perfect कोई better रहेगा. But look for excellence. Excellence होता है कि मेरे लिए यही इतना ही है. मैं it's like going to gym, and gym में मैं जब जाती हूँ कई लोग इतना मतलब women also heavy dumbbells कर रहे हैं exercise, and I'm like वो उनके लिए अच्छा है, मेरे लिए ये इतना आना है, इतना करना, खुश होके जाना है, वो है. So it is like that. You have to see आप कितना weight उठा सकते हैं, आपकी क्या कैपेसिटी है. एंड व्हेन आई से वेट इन रियल लाइफ ओवर हियर कि आपकी क्या रिसोर्सेज है, आपके क्या सर्कमस्टेंसेस है, उसको बेस्ट यूज करके डू इट. बट सक्सेस का मत सोचिए कि इसकी सक्सेस कितनी मिलेगी, बिकॉज दैट वी कैन नॉट डिसाइड. देयर समबडी एल्स हु ऑलरेडी प्लान्ड, बट वी हैव टू डू आवर वर्क.
एब्सोल्युटली. सो आपसे कैसे कनेक्ट किया जा सकता है? वैसे हम लिंक पे ऑब्वियसली आपका सोशल मीडिया हैंडल शेयर करेंगे, फिर भी आप हमारे यहाँ पे बता दीजिए so that people can approach you directly for your services.
So the best way to connect to us is through our website. It's under the name of personifyglobalacademy.com, or my social media handle, which is on our name only. Personify by Tarveen is my personal handle, and Personify Global Academy is my work handle. So I think Personify आप करेंगे तो Personify and Tarveen याद रखेंगे तो मैं आपको मिल जाऊंगी कहीं भी. And thank you so much once again everyone for your patience and time and listening. And Anshul जी बहुत मजा आ गया. Today having a conversation with you, it has taken me back to my memories and journey, because कभी-कभी आप day to day life पे इस चीजों पे focus करते नहीं हैं. And today after talking to you and you've asked such deep heart को touch करने वाले questions की एनर्जी अलग ही होगी ये दिन में भी.
मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं लगता था कि इससे अच्छा पॉडकास्ट हो सकता था गणेश चतुर्थी में. और मैं बहुत ही ज्यादा आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू कि आज आप मेरे प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं. इट्स एन ऑनर फॉर मी. थैंक यू सो मच.
सेम हियर. थैंक यू एंड हैप्पी गणेश चतुर्थी टू एवरीवन.
Same.
गॉड ब्लेस.
God bless.